Hi there, I'm Faye, and it's time for some messy crafts, a bit of Messy Church Does Science. Now, Joe's asked me to do something about how big God is, but I'm not sure that I can fit that amount of bigness in my conservatory. So instead, I thought we'd do some experiments about things that are bigger than you think they are. Because, I mean, God's big, but he's bigger than that. God's love is great, but it's greater than that. God is good, but he's gooder than that. So, let's do some things that are surprisingly big. For the first one, you're going to need a 1p coin and a 2p coin. And you can try it out with some other different sized coins as well to see if they work. And you're going to need some paper and some scissors, maybe smaller ones than these, is probably a bit too big, and a pencil. So, first of all, we're going to make a hole in the paper the size of one of these coins, and then we're going to put the other coin through it. Now, you might think that's not very interesting. We could make a coin the size of the 2p, the big coin, and then get the little coin through the hole. Easy peasy. But what about the other way round? Well, we're going to start off by drawing round the 1p coin on the piece of paper. Okay? So I've just drawn round that with a pencil, and now I'm going to cut it out. But we don't want any cut lines going from the edge, so we just have to cut the circle, so this is a bit tricky. I'm going to fold the paper so that I can make a snip in the middle of my circle, like that, and then I can get my scissors in to cut round it. Here's one I did earlier. That's the one I did earlier. Here's the one I did earlier. So here's my 1p coin sized hole, and I'm going to get my 2p coin through that hole, even though the coin's bigger than the hole. Can you do that? Aha! I'm going to fold the paper so that the hole comes in the middle, and then pop the 2p coin inside it there. And we can see it's dangling through. It won't go through the hole. Or will it? Magic! And then for the second one, we need another sheet of paper, and this time I'd like you to cut a hole in the paper big enough that you could fit through it. In fact, maybe you can cut a hole that's big enough for the whole of your family to fit inside it. Now, you might think that's impossible. I mean, you could cut out a hole maybe that big. You might be able to fit your hamster inside it, but I don't think you'd fit your whole family. Do you want to know how? Haha. This will be bigger than you think. First thing to do is fold your paper in half along its length. Okay? And then we're going to cut down this line, but not all the way. That's very important. You mustn't cut at the two ends. So we've just got to cut down that line in the middle. So again, I'm going to bend it over and make a little snip just to get it started. So there's my little snip. And then I'm going to cut up to, but not quite up to the top, maybe about 1 centimetre away from the top and 1 centimetre from the bottom. So I'll do that now. If you're very small, you probably want to get an older brother or sister or some grown-up to help you with scissors if you are a very little one, because there's quite a lot of cutting to do in this one. So that's up to, but not right at the ends. Now I'm going to fold it back in half again, and we've got, this is the end with the fold on it here. Okay, I'm going to make a cut from the fold down towards the corner, but again not all the way. So I've got this kind of little bit here. My fold is here. Okay, so that's the fold, and the same at the other end. So here's the fold, putting up towards the corner, but making sure you leave some paper there, and here's my fold. Now I'm going to cut this like a comb all the way along, chunk, 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 kind of 1 or 2 centimetres, probably 2 centimetres, and then all the way along, making sure I don't go up to the end. I'm going to speed this bit up. Right, there we go. Looks a bit like a toothy smile, like that. Okay, so that's part of it, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So these snips went from the bottom nearly up to the top. The next ones are going to go from the top nearly down to the bottom. Don't use these end ones, those will keep those ones free. So leaving that end one that's got the fold, I'm going to cut the other way in the middle of all these kind of toothy fingers, all the way up to nearly the top. Again, I'm going to speed this bit up. And now the last one, here we go, up to the top. And again, leaving this one that has the fold on it, leaving that there. So, how big is the hole in this piece of paper? Well, that's bigger than you'd think. Just like God's love, bigger than you think.